wanted to walk you through some of the basics of the project. It's a 142-room AC hotel by Marriott. The building's about 77,000 square feet. It's 5 stories, and everything on floors 2 through 5 are guest rooms. We've got an exercise room and a meeting room on the 2nd floor. We are a longtime franchise partner of Marriott, and they reached out to us and suggested that this may be a good opportunity for modular construction.
You know, one of the biggest issues that we hear from our owners all the time, it's undoubtedly the cost of construction, the challenges with the tighter locations as far as the sites themselves. It really present unique opportunities for our owners to look outside the normal vein of how buildings are typically constructed. Modular is not necessarily a new thing. We as a company, Marriott, really truly embraced it. We were quite blessed to find our friends from Guerdon, based out of Boise, who really kind of educated us on how modular would work within hospitality. And it's been a very hand-in-hand partnership since we first met. We believe that based on cost of construction, and for owners, those of you who are in businesses, realize time is money. And anything that we can do to help our owners get hotels open in a quicker fashion, and quite honestly, in a better built box, that's what we want to do.
You really gain a time compression when you're looking at modular. It solves the problem that we're seeing, and particularly in the California market, but really the country over, with the shortage of trades, the shortage of labor, the ability to drive the quality of the finished product because of those shortage of trade and labor, and that's specifically one of the things that the modular solution is able to address. This particular project, I think 142 keys, 86 modules. We built it in our factory in just over 7 weeks. The crane set schedule here, they're going to have everything up and vertical over the course of the next 2 to 3 weeks.
When you actually tour these factories and you see how well built the building, the guest room modules are, it's truly amazing. You know, your walls are double insulated, your ceilings and your floors both. You have virtually no sound transference between the guest rooms, which is a big plus when you're a hotel operator, when guests are staying there to get a good night's rest. Our owners are very sensitive to the time period it takes to get hotels open, as well as the cost associated with that. So we think it's going to be a very good, strong, long-term trend for us.
So the city of Santa Rosa lost about 400 hotel rooms in the fire, and so one of the things we realized very quickly is the need to bring hotel rooms back to our city as quick as possible. And part of that had to do with maintaining our tourism industry. That's a big piece of our TOT that drives our revenue for our general fund. The hotel coming in with this technology using Guerdon, bringing it to market quickly is going to allow us to see this come to fruition a lot faster and get that revenue back to the city to try to help us recover over the next few years.
The AC brand is not the kind of product that you're just going to see along the highways and byways of the United States in every small town here and there. We believe they belong in true urban metropolitan areas because it's a very sophisticated product. It's really has a very appealing, unique, and artistic design to it. So we think it's ideal for Santa Rosa, and just want you all to know that.